Welcome to MACSGATE. We are learning engineering mathematics through PYQs. The next topic under linear algebra is rank of a matrix. Let us take up some problems from rank of a matrix. The first question, rank of a 3 by 3 matrix which is equal to A into B. That is, it is obtained by multiplying matrix A, the size is given which is 3 by 1, and matrix B which is of size 1 by 3. So, he is asking what is rank of this particular matrix, my dear friends. It is actually a straightforward result. Suppose if A is a column vector of order m by 1 and B is a row vector of order 1 by n, then rank of AB, if AB is not a 0 matrix, because obviously A into B will be m by n matrix. Suppose if this AB is a non-zero matrix, then rank of this matrix will be 1. Rank of this matrix will be definitely 100% 1. See, the logic is when you multiply A with B, in the product you get proportional rows. Out of those proportional rows, keep one row and make all other rows 0. So, you get echelon form and number of non-zero rows equal to 1, therefore, rank is equal to 1. So, the correct answer is option B. Next problem, which was asked in year 2007 for electrical students. X is given, actually it is given as row vector transpose, means it is a column vector. So, X is a column vector of order n by 1. Now, what is that is asking, what is the rank of this particular matrix? Actually, V is a matrix which is X into X transpose. So, X transpose will be 1 by n. So, V is this matrix which is n by n matrix. Now, he is asking about V. It is exactly same as the previous problem. Rank of this V will be, because it is rank of matrix which is n by 1 and 1 by n, okay, and transpose. So, it is equal to 1 just by the previous rule, sir. Just by using previous rule, the answer for this problem is also equal to 1. So, it is having rank 1. What is rank of this particular matrix? See, the common mistake which people do is, here you identify 2 rows are same. See, my dear friends, if suppose some rows are identical or proportional, out of that you can keep one row and make all other rows 0. Some people what they do, they keep 1 1 1, that is first row, and make all other rows 0. You can't make the second row 0, because second row does not depend on first row, only third row depends on first row. So, using first row you can make third row 0. So, what happens, first row remains same. So, using that you can make third row 0. Because second row is not depending on first row, you have to do the forward elimination. So, using this, try to make this fellow equal to 0, that is you can use row operation, that is R2 is R2 minus R1, that is reduce it to echelon form. Then what happens? First row remains the same, second row 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, and remaining all the fellows are zeros. That is the third row is 0. Now, you got echelon form. What is the rank of the matrix? 2 non-zero rows. So, the rank of the matrix is 2. So, answer is C. What is rank of this matrix? 1 2 2 3 4 by 4 matrix. See, whenever such big matrices are given, try to identify any relationship between the rows. See, when you find some relation between the rows, using that you can make other row equal to 0. That is the logic. Here I find this particular relation, sir. R4 is actually equal to R1 plus R2 plus not R1 plus R2, okay, you can say R3 plus R2 minus R1. That is 5 plus 3, 8 minus 1, 7. So, what I can do is, I can do R4 is R4 minus this fellow, that is R3 plus R2 minus R1, which makes this row completely 0. So, even though you are having 4 by 4 matrix, one row is actually related to all other rows. So, obviously, you can make it 0 completely. So, we are having only first 3 rows 1 2 2 3, 3 4 2 5, 5 6 2 7, Of course, you want you can write 0 0 0 0. Now, what we do? We try to reduce it to echelon form. If you find any other relationship, only row operations, you can do it. Otherwise, you can simply do the regular straightforward forward elimination. Using that, make these two fellows 0, that is R2 is R2 minus 3 R1 and R3 is R3 minus 5 R1. So, what happens? First row is 1 2 2 3, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 5 minus 9 minus 4. Okay. Next, 6 minus 10, okay, this is 0 anyhow, 6 minus 10 minus 4, 2 minus 10, 2 minus 10 is minus 8 and 7 minus 15, that is minus 8. So, if you observe second and third, second and third rows only, second and third rows are proportional. So, out of these you can keep one row, that is the second row you can keep it and make third row 0, fourth row anyhow already 0. So, the matrix is reduced to echelon form. How many non-zero rows? 2 non-zero rows. So, the rank of the matrix is equal to 2. So, asked in year 2021 for civil engineering students. So, what is the answer, sir? Answer is 2 for this. The next one, A is PQRS and B is a big matrix. He says rank of A is n, then what is rank of B? See, actually if you observe, the matrix B is obtained like this, PQRS transpose this fellow, PQRS, multiply these two matrices, you will get this. So, the matrix B is actually A into A transpose, but we have beautiful result, rank of A into A transpose is same as rank of A, rank of A is n. So, rank of A into A transpose is also n, which is option C. This wonderful question, 2 mark, okay, 1 mark question, simple question. A is a n by n matrix because I j varies up to n. So, it is n by n matrix. Now, look here how Aij is defined. Aij is defined as I into j. What is rank of A? Dear friends, according to the definition, it is a m by n matrix. Aij is equal to I into j. So, you get 1 into 1, 1 into 2 and so on, 1 into n, 2 into 1, 2 into 2 and so on, 2 into n. Continuing this, you get m into 1, m into 2 and so on, m into n. See, the rows are proportional, all the rows are proportional, all the rows, that is second row is 2 times of first row, third row is 3 times of first row, fourth row is 4 times of first row and mth row is m times of first row. So, what we can do is, you can keep the first row and make all other rows 0. Just do that. R2 is R2 minus 2 times of R1, R3 is R3 minus 3 times of R1 and Rm is Rm minus m times of R1. So, it makes all other rows 0, my dear friends. So, what is the rank of the matrix? You already got echelon form. The number of non-zero rows is 1. So, the rank of this matrix is equal to 1. So, the correct answer is option B. Here 2 matrices are given. He is asking what is rank of P plus Q. See, there is no relation like rank of P plus Q is rank of P plus rank of Q like that, sir. Rank of P plus Q must be less than or equal to rank of P plus rank of Q. So, it is better to find P plus Q and find the rank of the matrix. Do not do any other manipulations here. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Okay. Then 2 plus 6 is 8 and minus 3 plus 12 is 9 and 4 plus 6 is 10, 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 2 plus 10 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. Hope we done properly, please verify that. Okay. Now, you see some relation is there, try to make them 0, okay, or this one 8 8 8 na, that is better to make that equal to 1. So, I just make it as 1 and swap first and third rows, so that it becomes 1 1 1, this is 8 9 10, this is 0. Okay. Instead of working with negative numbers, let us multiply with -1 or divide by -1, you get 1 2. Now, using this, make this fellow equal to 0, that is R2 is R2 minus 8 times of R1. So, we get 1 1 1, 8 minus 8 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 8 is 2. So, 0. Okay. In the next step, what I need to do, I am doing now 0 1 2. Now, these two rows are identical. Keep one, make other fellows 0. 1 1 1, 0 1 2, 0 0 0, and you got echelon form. What is rank of this P plus Q? 2. So, rank of P plus Q is 2, that is answer. Now, we have a very big matrix. See, whenever you have such big matrix, try to make some observations. Okay. If you can make proper observations, you can solve the problem quickly. Otherwise, also we can get the answer, sir. You may require little extra steps. See, if you observe, these two can be added to make this fellow 0. See, if you observe this, what I do? 1 minus 1, 0 0 0. I add these two fellows. So, I am not doing second and third now. Fourth directly I am writing. This is 0, minus 1, 0, 0 and 1. Now, if you observe, there is a relation between this fourth and third row now after doing this operation. Say, I am not exactly doing the forward elimination, I am trying to do it by little observation, so that we can get the answer faster. So, this is 0. Okay. Let us wait for some time, let us write it later. Now, what you can do, if you add these two fellows, then what happens, this fellow can be made, like if you add these two fellows, the changes will happen for this. So, I am directly adding and writing 0, this becomes minus 1, this is 0 and this is 1. Now, if you observe, this fellow is related to second row, 0 0 1 minus 1 0. Now, you can add these two fellows. So, when you add these two fellows, this is 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, here 1 minus 1, this fellow is made 0. This is minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. Now, if you observe, this is having, the new row is having relation with last row, 0 0 0, which is 1 minus 1. These two are proportional, keep 1 and make other fellow 0. So, by observation I done the row operations little faster and I got, okay, it is not echelon form, you can rearrange the rows. Keep first row as it is, this has to go up. So, it is 0 1 minus 1 0 0, this should go down 0 0 1 minus 1 0. Then the next one 0 0 0 minus 1 plus 1, the last row as it is, there is zeros. Now, you got actually, okay, it is echelon form only, you got only echelon form, fine, because I just need to find rank, echelon form is enough. How many non-zero rows in the echelon form? 4. So, the rank of this matrix, whatever it is 4. The rank of this matrix is 4. Got it? The next one, what is rank of this matrix? Okay. See, my dear friends, if you can make some observation, that is fine. If you are not able to make any observation, no problem, directly use one row and make other element 0. So, because you are finding more ones na, just divide by minus 1, so that it becomes 1 1 1 and swap with the first row, and here it is minus 4 plus 1 minus 1, it is 7 minus 3 1. So, using this, make these two fellows 0. So, first row as it is. Now, here I am doing the row operation, that is R2 is R2 plus 4 times of R1 and R3 is R3 minus 7 times of R1. So, minus 4 plus 4 is 0, 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Here 7 minus 7 anyhow 0, minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10 and 1 minus 7 is minus 6. And if you observe, these two are proportional rows. So, keep one row and make other row 0. Now you got echelon form, and what is rank of the matrix, my dear friends? Rank is equal to 2. Wonderful. Next question, same story. If you can able to find some observation, use it, otherwise reduce it to echelon form using forward elimination. Even systematic procedure can give you the answer within 1 minute, sir. See, some people always try to make some observations. Okay. See, observation is one which you should get immediately. Generally, when it is a big matrix, then only try to do observation. Otherwise, if you are not able to find any observation, directly apply forward elimination, you will get the answer faster. Okay. So, R2 is R2 minus 2R1. See, even I am writing the entire operation, but still I can get the answer within 1 minute. R3 is, okay, printing mistake. R3 is R3 minus 4R1. So, what happens? This is 1, 1, 0 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 2, 2, and 2 plus 4, that is 6. Here it is 4 minus 4 is 0, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, and 3, and it is 1 plus 8, that is 9. So, actually you can see these two are proportional. So, one row you can keep it and make other row 0. 1, 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 2, 6, and this is 0, 0, 0 and 0, because these two rows are proportional, because 3 times of this and 2 times of this are same, that is 2 times of row 2, not 2 times, 3 times of row 2 is equal to 2 times of row 3, that is what you mean by proportional. So, whenever you find such proportionality, keep one row, make other row 0. Now, you got echelon form. What is rank of the matrix? How many non-zero rows? 2 non-zero rows, rank is equal to 2. So, that is the correct answer. Wonderful. Next one, again you see, whenever you find such observation, try to do there itself, so that you can reduce it faster, because it is a big matrix, such observations are very, very handy. So, here what I do, 5 0 minus 5 0, this one I just directly add them, this is 0 0 0 and 0, you see it becomes 0. Okay. So, that 0 fellow anyhow you can write down at the bottom, because it is useless for us. For other row operations, directly pull down. Now, what you got here, these two fellows 0 2 0 1 and it is 0 1 0 2. You do not find any relation between them, they are not proportional, 1 time of this, 2 time. Okay, if you do also, okay, let us do the row operation using this, make this fellow equal to 0, that is R3 is, let us do 2 times of R3 minus R2. What happens? First row remains the same, second row we are not doing anything, third row 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, then 2 2's 4 minus 1 is 3. So, you get the required echelon form. So, this is your echelon form or row echelon form. You got echelon form, rank of the matrix, number of non-zero rows which is equal to 3. So, option A. So, these are some interesting questions from rank of a matrix, my dear friends. Thank you.